So let's put some numbers on these. Let's say a solution has measured the hydronium concentration to be this number. You're asked to figure out what's the concentration of hydroxide. And then, is the solution acidic, is it basic, or is it neutral? The key is to use that constant Kw. Kw is always concentration of hydronium times the concentration of hydroxide, and it's always going to equal the same constant, 1 times 10 to the negative 14. In this problem, we know that the concentration of hydronium is 8.72 times 10 to the negative 9. The concentration of hydroxide is the unknown X, and we know when hydronium and hydroxide are multiplied, they equal 1 times 10 to the negative 14. So we can solve for X by dividing both sides by 8.72 times 10 to the negative 9. That'll give us our hydroxide 1.15 times 10 to the negative 6. Try this on your calculator, because if you are getting a different answer than this, then you're not entering the numbers correctly on your calculator. Different calculators have different ways of doing this. The best way to do it, remember, is use the button EE or EXP to take care of that times 10 part. Should get 1.15 times 10 to the negative 6 molar. Second part to this question asks you, is it acidic, is it basic, or is it neutral? The key to answering that question is to look at the concentrations. Hydroxides, 10 to the negative 6. Hydronium, 10 to the negative 9. In this solution, the concentration of hydroxide is greater than the concentration of hydronium. And when that's true, that's the definition of a basic solution. So this solution has more hydroxide. It is a basic solution. You can also classify acidic, basic, or neutral by the pH scale. pH stands for the negative log of the hydronium concentration. If your pH is 7, that's not acidic, not basic, that's neutral. If the pH is less than 7, then that's acidic, and when the pH is greater than 7, that's basic. So for example, you could calculate the pH if you're told the solution has a hydronium concentration of 1 times 10 to the negative 4. pH is the negative log of hydronium, and hydronium is 1 times 10 to the negative 4 in this case. This is another thing for you to try on your calculator. You should have a log button on your calculator, so you enter 1 times 10 to the negative 4 and then hit the log button, or some calculators you do the log button first and then the 10 to the negative 4. Either way you do it, the log of this number is negative 4. And the negative sign in front of this is going to turn the negative 4 into a positive 4. So for this solution, the pH is 4. pH is less than 7, therefore it is an acidic solution.